Hi, I'm Brian Beal. I'm a board-certified veterinary surgeon with more than 25 years experience in private practice. I've also had the opportunity to train veterinarians in CE venues all around the world. Right now, I'm here in Colorado State University's amazing new state-of-the-art CE facility. This is a wonderful place to learn and probably an even better region to visit. You'll quickly realize why Fort Collins, Colorado is on all of the best place to live lists, and you're certain to fall in love on your first visit. The Old Town district of Fort Collins is filled with great shops and restaurants, and FOCO is known as the Napa Valley of craft brewing for a good reason. If you've been to our Principles of Fracture Repair course, you've learned to perform treatments like this. But by now, you've learned that not all fractures occur in these convenient locations or configurations. What would you do with a case like this? What if referral wasn't an option? In our Advanced Fracture Repair course, we're going to work with some of the more challenging fractures that you commonly see in clinical practice. In this Advanced Fracture Repair course, you'll learn how to treat fractures of the humerus, articular fractures, and a variety of pelvic fractures. This course is for those who have taken a basic or Principles of Fracture Repair course and likely have some experience with bone plating of fractures. When you come out of this course, you'll be able to handle many of those agonizing situations where referral just won't work. You'll be able to avoid those agonizing conversations about amputation and euthanasia. Instead, you'll be able to help your clients when they need you most. We see so many familiar faces when we hold these courses. We love having the opportunity to work with you and watch you grow professionally. I hope that we get to see you soon here at Colorado State University so that you can experience CE Elevated.